Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called Fast Reply. So you would have a Twitter and LinkedIn account, and you would have a lot of posts, and you would want to comment on others' posts. You want to reply to other people. So you can do that using this tool called Fast Reply. So this works with two platforms currently, Twitter and LinkedIn. The artificial intelligence will give 10 times faster replies. So it's just like a one-click solution. With this AI-generated replies, you can quickly and easily generate relevant content for your audience without any hassle or thought. When it comes to replies, you will have custom reactions, and in this way you can engage with your audience with personalized AI-generated replies tailored to the context of each message. It will improve your customer engagement and brand reputation with minimum effort. It will increase the interaction. All these replies are AI generated relevant replies. It will elevate your social media communication, and fast reply ensures your responses are tailored to each unique interaction, which will drive better engagement and results. So I'll show you how it works here. You go to the profile information and put in your profile. You can choose a plan and create your API key, and you can download the Chrome extension and paste your API key. So once you do that, now when you go to LinkedIn or Twitter, you see a comment, you can reply by clicking a relevant emoji. It will automatically generate a custom reply. So if you want to be funny, if you want to be a normal, then all those kinds of replies is there. It will automatically generate a professional reply. So in this way you will be able to interact with your users faster. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.